And I understand that I took some artistic license and I slowed something that's otherwise upbeat and happy, like I said it, and I slowed it down. So if you don't like it, that's fine. I'm not going to take it personally. It's a sad song, that's why I did this. Underneath this exterior of this 80s pop song, there's a sad song underneath and no one knows it. Until I came along. I was at a stoplight. I'm going to tell the story real quick. And I heard this song come on the radio, and I'd been listening to it for years. And but I'd never really listened to the lyrics. And so I'm there sat in my car at the red stoplight, and I listened to the lyrics for the first time. And I'm like, wait a second, those sneaky people. But here it is. So I went home and I recorded this. Came home in the middle of the night. My mother says, what are you gonna do with your life? Well, Daddy dear, you're still number one. All the girls, they wanna have fun. So you know it. The phone rings in the middle of the night. My mother says, when you gonna live your life right? Well, Mother dear, we're not